Hello students, this is a video on how to discover a pattern.
Genericville steadily increased until the year 2014.
Now it is time to solve.
To solve this, we will make a table. X will represent the year that the city was at, and Y will represent how many buildings the city had. So in 2010, we would put a 0. And they only had one little brown shack in 2010. And then for the next year, 2011, we will put a 1, and they only had 5 buildings in 2011. In 2012, we will put a 2, and they had 9 buildings. And so on until we get to 4, which is 2014. Now we're going to look at the answer choices and test them on the table. So for A, we have 5 raised to the power of x. So x would be 0. So 5 raised to the power of 0 equals 1. So far this works. And then for the next one, 5 raised to the power of x. Well, x is 1. So 5 raised to the power of 1 is still 5. So this still works. However, if we raise 5 to the power of 2, which is the next x, we get 25, which does not work. So 5 does not work.
Now we will test answer choice B. First we plug in 0 for x. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 equals 1, so that one does work. However, for the next one, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 equals 4, not 5. That is why B does not work.
Next, let's check answer choice C. When you plug in 4 for x on the first one, 4 times 0 equals 0, plus 1 equals 1. So that works out. For the next one, 4 times 1 equals 4, plus 1 equals 5. That checks out too. 2 times 4 equals 8, plus 1 for the next one equals 9. That also checks out. 3 times 4 equals 12, plus 1 equals 13. That also checks out. And 4 times 4 equals 16, plus 1 equals 17. So that works out. So all of our values work out. So that means that C works, but let's check D anyways.
So now we're going to check answer choice D, which is x squared plus 1. So 0 squared is still 0, plus 1 is 1. So the first part works. And then 1 squared is still 1. But plus 1 would only make it 2, so this one is wrong. Which leaves you with your only answer choice being C, which is in fact the answer. I hope this video aided you in discovering patterns.
Yeah. Congrats, man.